For so many of these areas, Western North Carolina, the East Tennessee, Florida, are just huge tourist areas too.
Yeah, of course.
So they're going to depend on your dollars once a lot of those recovery efforts are there for people to go back and visit and pump some money back into their local economies.
Absolutely, and this time of year too is such a big one over there. People love to experience the fall foliage and go hiking and enjoy the cool weather.
Yeah. And speaking of cool weather, it looks like we're finally going to get that dip we've been waiting for.
Not just one, but two blasts of cold air. And a lot of times, you'll hear us say, this is going to be a strong cold front.
Right.
Our minds kind of go, okay, severe weather. But have y'all experienced any rain?
Not at all, and we desperately need it because Drew is seeding all of our yard right now.
And unfortunately, you're going to have to use the water hose to do that because our rain chances are slim to none. Now, did we get a few isolated showers across the plateau yesterday? Yes, it came in with a punch, some gusty winds, even some pea-sized hail. But thankfully, we did soak in every drop we can get. Here's a look at that drought monitor. Remember, it's Tuesday to Tuesday, analyzed on Wednesday, and out on Thursday. And because the lack of rain anticipated over the next 7 to 10 days, I do anticipate this extreme drought that's hugging the Alabama-Tennessee state line to actually start to spread outward, and that severe drought doing a lot of the same. Thankfully, though, y'all in Kentucky have really benefited from some showers, especially earlier on in the year. So that still has you sitting pretty, but obviously things are starting to get dry. Those showers we had yesterday, very limited in time and location. It was around 7, 8 o'clock last night. We did have some showers with us. These didn't do anything as far as damage, thankfully, but of course we did have some gusty winds associated with them. Right now, though, just some breezy winds moving in as this cold front continues to dip its way southward. Right now, currently in the city, we're coming in 55. Yesterday, we got up to 86. We're not looking at any 80s over the next 7 days, but we will have some fluctuation from highs topping out in the 60s to heading back into those 70s. Gallatin, you're at 52 on this Columbus Day to start off. Things are very easy. Power 5 radars obviously dealing with those clean sweeps as that system continues to move its way southward. Behind it, cooler, drier, and breezy conditions. When you compare 24 hours ago, that's a 15-degree drop in Paducah, 12 degrees cooler here in the city. But this is just the beginning, as temperatures right now are in the 40s and 50s. I'm forecasting morning lows tomorrow to be in the widespread 30s and low 40s. And it's not just a Tuesday event. We'll get another touch of it Wednesday and Thursday mornings. Now, just because we're talking about some really frosty starts doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be like that all day. When you've got low moisture content, that does allow temperatures to fluctuate from morning to afternoon. So you really will get the best of both worlds. Now, that afternoon temperature, though, still trending below average. Winds right now are coming in 15 miles per hour. We'll have a few gusts mixed in there. Things will then start to relax overnight tonight, and then it's tomorrow evening that next punch moves in, providing some gusts around 20, 25 miles per hour, and then things will really start to ease through. But even with that second punch coming, we're not looking to see too much in the way of rain. Rain chances slim to none. You will see a few thin clouds out there at times today and some more cloud cover making our way into start off the Tuesday. But overall, that's basically it as far as the look is concerned. And you continue to have those winds streamlining in out of our north. We'll continue to keep dry conditions as we make our way into Wednesday. That follows into Thursday, Friday, even as we make our way into the weekend. So because of this long stretch on top of already dry conditions, there will be a chance burn bans will be in place. If it can spark, it will spread. Highs today topping out around 66. Tomorrow morning, we're going to be in the upper 30s, mid 40s, an afternoon high of 63, widespread 30s, Wednesday and Thursday mornings. Yeah, we're going to be waking up in the city 38. That means a light freeze for some of y'all across the plateau, and obviously a little frosty of a start. 65 Thursday afternoon. We'll slowly start to ease back. Temperatures will top out 72 Friday with 75 making the way into Sunday. So a lot of cool air on the way.